evening, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. I'm going to take you through parts of my body in Bukusu. I will begin by interpreting it to Swahili, then to Bukusu. Parts of my body in Swahili is sehemu za mwili wangu. And in Bukusu is chimbeka che kumuvili kwase. Chimbeka che kumuvili kwase. In Bukusu, we pronounce V, but when writing, we use B. A human being is identified by looking at his or her face. I will know you by looking at your face. Therefore, I'll begin by looking at the head that comprises of the hair and even the face. The head is referred to as kichwa in Swahili, and in Bukusu is referred to as kumurwe. Kumurwe. I've tried to simplify my explanation by aid of a diagram, even though I'm not a good artist, but I've done this for you to have a clear understanding. And I've done it in singular and in plural. In Swahili we say umoja na wingi, and in Bukusu we say mubulala ne mubukali. Mubulala, that is singular. Mubukali, that is plural. In this diagram, A is the hair in plural and in singular. Then in Swahili we say nywele in plural and nywele as well in singular. In Bukusu, in singular we say lichune. Lichune. And in plural we also say lichune. We move on to B. B is the forehead. The forehead, in plural we say foreheads. In Swahili we say paji in singular, and in plural we say mapaji. In Bukusu, we refer to the forehead as bubweni. Bubweni. And in plural we also say bubweni. We move on to C. Here we have the eye. The eye, in plural we say eyes. In Swahili we call it jicho, and in plural macho. Whereas in Bukusu we say emoni. Emoni. And in plural we say chimoni. Chimoni. We move on to the part called the nose. D. D is the nose. Nose in singular and plural. And in Swahili we say pua in singular and mapua in plural. Whereas in Bukusu we say liliolu in singular. Liliolu. And in plural, hamolu. We move on to the part E, that is the chin. Cheek. In plural, cheeks. In Swahili we say shavu, then mashavu in plural. In Bukusu we say lusaya. Lusaya. Lusaya in singular. Then in plural we say chisaya. Chisaya in plural. We move on to F, that is the chin. The chin. In plural we say chins. In Swahili, we refer to it as kidevu, videvu in plural. In Bukusu, we say silefu, silefu. And in plural, we say vilefu, vilefu. We move on to the other part. There's one, that is G. We call it lip. In plural, we say lips, lips. In Swahili, we say mdomo and midomo in plural. In Bukusu, we say kumunua, kumunua, that is a lip, kumunua. And in plural, we say kiminua, kiminua, kiminua. Kiminua means upper, then together with lower lip. But kumunua is either the upper one or the lower one. Then we move on to H. That is the ear. Ears in plural. In Swahili, we say sikio, masikio in plural. In Bukusu, we say liru, liru, liru. Then in plural, we say kamaru, kamaru, kamaru. Then lastly, we have eye. Eye. Eye is the eyebrow, and we refer to it in plural as eyebrows. In Swahili, we say unyusi, then nyusi in plural. And in Bukusu, we say sisike, sisike, sisike in singular, and in plural, we say visike, visike. Hope you've learned much about your head. Until next time, bye.